this question given two loads. The first load given 10 kW leading power factor of 0.8. So this 10 kW is P for average or constant or real power, and this is leading means that this is negative, power factor 0.8. So the first load complex power for the first load is 1 bar. I use this bar to distinguish between apparent power and complex power. So the first load should be P minus dq. So this is rectangular form, or in polar form S minus theta. Okay, the second load given 30 kVA, 20 kVAr inductive load. So VA here is for apparent power because no angle, so this is apparent power, not complex power. And this is VAR, so this is Q, reactive power, and this is inductive, so this is positive. So means that for second load, complex power should be P plus GQ, or in polar form will be equals to S positive theta. Okay, the question asks about overall complex power. So this is S total complex power. Total complex power will be equals to these loads. So S1 plus S2. Okay, next question asks about power factor. So for power factor, this is power factor of the load, so means that total power factor. So total power factor, you must get this total complex power first in order to get total power factor. And the current IS. So for this current IS, also you must get this complex power first, total complex power, in order to get this IS, because you can use the formula of S for complex power, V RMS I RMS conjugate. Okay, solve this question. Okay, load 1 given 10 kW, so this is P, and power factor PF equals to 0.8. So bear in mind, if you given this PF, you can get theta. So if you know theta, you can get PF, because PF equals to cos theta. So now you can get theta equals to inverse cos theta. So theta will be equals to 36.87. So now how to get this Q or S? Both you can get by using power triangle. This is theta, this is Q, P, S. S is apparent power. So let's say I want to use tangent theta. So tangent theta equals to Q over P. So I can get Q equals to P tangent theta. So insert P and theta, Q will be equals to 7.5 kVAr. So now complex power for load 1 will be equals to P 10K minus, because of leading, and Q is 7.5K, the unit is VA. So now for load 2, given Q equals to 20 kVAr, and this is S equals to 30 kVA. So now you are given this Q and S. You can get either this P or theta. Let's say I want to use sine. So sine theta equals to Q over S. So I can get theta inverse sine Q over S. So theta will be equals to 41.8. So load 2 complex power will be equals to 30K 41.8 VA. So now we can know the total complex power equals to load 1 and plus load 2. So we sum up both complex powers, you'll get this 32.4 plus J 12.5. The unit is VA. So this K is for both P and Q, or total in terms of polar form 34.7, and the angle 21.1 kVA. Okay, so from this S total, you know that this is the total average power or real power or constant power, and this is total of Q, reactive power. This is S total, S for apparent power, and this is theta total. Okay, now from this answer, you can get total power factor is equals to cos theta total. So here is theta total 21.1. So cos 21.1. So total power factor will be equals to 0.933 lagging. Why lagging? Because this angle is positive, also this positive. So this is for total power factor. So for IS, we know that we must use the formula of complex power of VRMS IRMS conjugate. So this VRMS given from question is 240 angle 0, and this complex power comes from the total complex power that we get before. So IRMS conjugate will be equals to S total over V RMS. So as total we get 32.4 plus J 12.5 K and over 240 angle 0. So IRMS conjugate, we get this with the positive angle 21.1 amps. So this conjugate reverse the positive angle. So IRMS or IS will be equals to 144.6 angle 21.1 amps. So this is the answer for IS. The last question is to find the value of capacitor. So this is C. The formula for C is equals to QC over omega V RMS squared. So this omega is 2 pi F. You are given F is 60 Hz. And the new power factor is 0.99 lagging. So from this new power factor, PF new is 0.99. So from this PF, we can get theta new. So theta nu inverse cos PF will be equals to 8.11. So now how to get this QC? So relate with power triangle. Here is theta total. Theta total comes from this previous that you find this theta total. Here is Q total. This is P total, S total. Now you have the new power factor. So new power factor, you get this new theta. So where is the new theta? 8.11. So look at this previous or this old theta 21.1. So the new one is smaller than the older one. So this is the new one, theta n. So here is Q new, and to get this QC, you can see here how QC relate with this Q total Qn. So QC is here. So this is QC. So QC equals to Q total minus Q new. So Q total, you know from this. This is Q total. So how to get this Q new? We already calculate this theta new. So Q new, you can use P tangent theta new. So P here is constant. This is unchanged. Comes from this P total. So will be equals to 32.4 K tangent theta new 8.11. So Q new will be equals to 4.6 K VAR. So now insert to this formula. QC is Q total minus Q new over omega is 2 pi F V RMS squared. So calculate this to find answer for C, 363.8 microfarad. So this is the value of C. That's all.